Welcome. In front of me I have the Spigen screen protector that I'll be applying on the brand new iPhone 15 Pro. This is a 2-pack and I'll be replacing the current one that is already applied, some garbage glass that is on here, with this one which should be a little bit easier to apply and also a little bit better. So let's actually get a look at it. Yeah, so we have two different one of these. I'm gonna set one of them to the side. Obviously this is a 2-pack as the name would apply, or the message more like. So the way we apply it is, number one, without any case on. So I'm gonna take it off. And I'm gonna also take off the glass on here. There we go. Gonna cover it up for the moment so there's no dust settling on it. And while I do that, I'm gonna try to figure it out how to apply it. So clean off the display. Yep, it's clean. And then I guess we start off by peeling that off. Back adhesive side. Yep, so that's back film. We need to remove that. Then we plop it on the device. Press and slide, cool. Okay. And we will remove that and trying to figure it out. What are we supposed to do? Ooh, that's a big disgusting little fly. Give me a moment while I try to get this flying cancer out of here. Okay, got slapped out of here. Cool. We can proceed further. Now, I am applying this kind of tempered glass because I think that's what it is for the very first time. So bear with me while I'm trying to get this going. So this will basically fit over here like so. Okay, so yeah, there's not much to it. And the only thing that I'm trying to figure it out is once it's on there. Ah, okay, I get it. So, to go over this, we peel off this part. We then put it onto our device, like so. And because that reveals the sticky side on the back, it will obviously start sticking. It does also say to basically kind of like spread it out so it will stick to it. Then we remove this right over here, which will release the tempered glass from being stuck to the actual plastic frame. And then we just lift it up and the glass will stay on here while the plastic gets removed. So that's basically the simple way of explaining it. And from there we're just gonna use this little squeegee or however you want to call it to even it out. So I'm gonna give it a clean pass, so because there is dust right now. So I want to completely clean it off. Still got some dust left. Okay, pretty good. So right off the bat, I'm gonna just jump to this, peel this off, and apply it. Now, one thing that I didn't mention, which hopefully everybody could notice, we do have a writing that it says top right here. I can actually see it sticking to the display right now. So it says top, so obviously this is the top of the device. So from here, now that it's applied, we want to peel it off. It's a big cutout right here for some reason, and peeling that off isn't going necessarily as nice as I would have hoped. If I actually peel that off, trying to figure out something. It says hold sticker. Now I'm not necessarily sure if it's referring for me to actually completely peel it off or do what it is do basically at like right now. Lift it up and see what we are dealing with. So it's already applied. I get what I'm supposed to do. At least I think so. I'm gonna peel that off. It's not like it's needed. And from here, so I'm trying to get rid of, for instance, bubbles like we have right here. Oh, there's a little bit more on here. Okay, so there we go. That's basically it. Applied to the display. So, to be completely honest, it's complicated, or adding a little bit more complexity for no actual reason, because truth be told, personally for me, it's much simpler to apply these ones, which don't come with any kind of like this kind of design. You just peel it off, slap it on, and you're good to go. Here you have like additional steps that really are designed to like allow people that wouldn't really do this normally to apply this to their device, which, that being said, it's still kind of screwed up, even though there wasn't any kind of dust under there. I'm pretty sure about that one. You can see a couple little dots right here, and yeah, it's something that for tempered glasses never happens to me when I'm actually applying this kind of glass. I can jump to it straight away. I can see how it's applying. Here you don't get to see too much. I'll be honest, it might be better or anything, but in terms of application, it's not as good to apply it if you already know how to apply tempered glass. So there we go. Anyway, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.